Goat farming is an agricultural practice focused on raising goats for various purposes, including meat, milk, and fiber production. It involves the systematic breeding, feeding, and management of goats to meet the demand for goat-related products in the market. Goat farming is not only a traditional livelihood in many rural areas but also a growing industry worldwide due to its profitability and sustainability. In goat farming, different breeds of goats are selected based on their intended purpose. For example, boer goats are preferred for meat production due to their fast growth and high quality meat. How do I start a goat farming business? To start a goat farming business, begin by researching the market demand and competition. Develop a detailed business plan outlining your goals, budget, and marketing strategy. Secure sustainable land, procure high-quality goat breeds, establish proper management practices, and implement effective marketing strategies to reach your target customers. How much does it cost to start a goat farm or backyard? The cost of starting a goat farm varies depending on factors such as land, infrastructure, goat breed, and operational expenses. Startup costs can range from a few thousand peso depending on the scale and requirements of the backyard or farm. Goat farming requires proper planning, infrastructure, and management to ensure the well-being and productivity of the goats. This includes providing adequate shelter, nutrition, feed, clean water, and timely veterinary care. Farmers also need to manage breeding, feeding, and weaning processes efficiently to maintain a healthy goat population. How profitable is a goat farming business? Goat farming can be highly profitable due to the increasing demand for goat meat, milk, and fiber. Proper planning, management, and marketing strategies are crucial for maximizing profits with efficient operation and market demand. Goat farming can yield significant returns on investment. Steps to start goat farming business. Conduct market research to understand demand and competition. Develop a detailed goat farming business plan, including goals, budget, and marketing strategy. Secure sustainable land and construct the necessary infrastructure for the goat farm. Procure high-quality goat breeds from reputable suppliers. Implement proper nutrition, health care, and management practices for the goats. Market goat products to target customer through various channels. So, mao to nga mga idea nga akong mahatag sa inyo guys. So, based na to sa among experience o kung ang uban na to, gi-research na po na ako. So, sa kuan gusto nga mag-atiman og mga kanding, mag-research sa jud mo daan guys kay at first katuod jud ko nga dali ra mamuhi guys kay kana laging kuan wala Tapos kanang gatuo ko nga itigway ra ning mga kanding guys. Matigway man jud siya kay syempre yung mga Bisaya lang pwede ra man pud siya itigway sa kuan kanang sa gawas, sa balay or sa kuan kanang place nga na mga dagang sagbot guys. But if balak nimo mamuhi og kanang mga mahalon nga mga kanding, much better jud nga na kay mga tanumdaan guys if ever nga mag-start ka. So maura na ako ika-advise. Tapos na kay kuan ka ng tao nga masaligan magatiman sa imong mga alaga if ever nga layo ka. Then research lang jud mao na importante. I-research sa daan ang kanang kuan gusto nimo nga atimanon kasi klase man ni mga lahi sa mga kanding. So nagpasalamat ra ko kay maayo ra pag-atiman sa kong pamilya. So maura to guys, hope nga namoy nakatunan sa kini nga video. Daghang salamat sa pagtanaw. Goodbye.